Hello and welcome to another Acumatica demonstration. Today we're going to be taking a look at using Power BI within Acumatica dashboards, as well as using dashboards for project management. Today's demonstration is led by Ewan Miller, an expert here at Rubech IT in the field of business information and digital transformation across a vast array of industries. The following footage is taken from one of our Lunch and Learn sessions, which you can get involved in if you're interested by emailing us at contactus@rubech.tech or by connecting with us on LinkedIn, which you can find in the description of this video.
You can set up dashboards for just about anything. You could set up dashboards for, say, a meeting. So here's one called production meeting. So you could have a meeting with your department on production or anything within your company and basically set up a dashboard to discuss and drill into the items that need resolved there and then within the meeting. Here's a good example of a funnel chart that is available within Acumatica. So here we've got production orders by status. So we have planned, completed, in progress, and released. Let's dive into another dashboard. So let's say sales manager. So here we can filter by the branch, and we can see open quotes, open orders, pending approval, orders awaiting payments. And anything that's highlighted in red needs action straight away. We can see the net sales for the last 12 months, top sold items in the quarter, and also sales by person in the current quarter, and the top 10 customers within the quarter. Let's look at a field service manager. So this is for services. So a field service manager, you can see that they've got appointments ready to schedule. So they've got 101 appointments to be made. We can see that there's 3 for today, 2 of which are open, which means someone is working on them. We can see they've got 7 appointments made for the week, and we've got 5 open appointments. And this is the amount of appointments by person. Dashboards could also be used to show a business process. These are not rolled out automatically with Acumatica, but they can be designed. So Acumatica has got wiki pages. So if I click on manufacturing flow, this opens up a wiki page that shows you a business process of what happens within manufacturing. Each of the elements here, design bomb, planning, scheduling, production, by clicking any of them, they will actually take me to that part of the system. It's a great way of navigating through Acumatica. Some companies have already invested heavily in Power BI. Power BI is an excellent tool for ingesting information from different sources, building a data model, and displaying dashboards. I've done something similar with Acumatica. Power BI dashboards can be consumed within Acumatica. Here's an example. Let's try this one, Power BI sales down here. So for more sophisticated reporting, you can use Power BI and ingest the Power BI reports within Acumatica. This means there's only one place to go for all your reporting needs, and also means that you could be saving Power BI user licenses because you're only consuming one license within Acumatica. This is a multi-page report looking at the moment, we're looking at the sales pipeline. These are clickable dashboards. If I want to see what's currently in negotiation, it actually filters the rest of the charts. So I can see Steve Church, Eric, and Theo are currently in negotiation with opportunities within the United States. The Power BI charts behave much like within the Power BI. I can expand and hover over any of the points, and it'll give me information. I can have quite sophisticated reports within Power BI. So here we've got sales versus budget, invoice totals, bookings by branch, and then a pivot table looking at bookings by item category by date. I can then filter this by date and then further filter it here. Another thing that we can do with dashboards if we go into project dashboard, is we can embed other HTML pages. We could actually have just a page for a project. So we could have a camera looking on site, and we can also have national weather services configured for the weather on that site. We can have data tables telling us about what's happening on each of the projects. So we've got gross profit by project, cost by project, contract status, change order logs. Basically, you can build a dashboard for every single person that uses Acumatica, bringing KPIs and information that they need throughout the business day to ensure
Thank you for
that
listening to this
decisions are made in a
demonstration.
timely
If you're
manner.
interested in learning more about how Acumatica can transform your business, or if you're interested in getting involved in our Lunch and Learns, please follow us on Twitter and LinkedIn. Like I said, the links are in the description. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel, which you should see a link on screen for. Additionally, if you're interested in scheduling a free personalized demonstration to see how Acumatica can transform your business, send us an email at contactus@rubech.tech. Thank you and have a great day.